And therefore, I'm privileged to be here at this validation forum for two critical instruments. One is the draft National Government Village Administration Policy and the draft National Government Coordination, focusing on the administrative units regulations 2025. Over the last 2 years, we have seen law enforcement and local administration undergo a remarkable evolution. As a PS in this Ministry of Interior and National Administration, I find myself being at the forefront and of course witnessing firsthand the transformative reforms that we are collectively embarking on, upon which our security sector and administration of the grassroots is entrenched. The introduction of the new administrative units, the professionalization of the national government administrative officers, and the modernization of the police service are all contributing to a safer and more secure country. Regardless of which location it is, we feel the hand and presence of government in our daily lives through responsive services, swift law enforcement, and inclusive development. I can comfortably state that if there was anything that I would be very proud of, is that I'm at the heart of leading this transformation and in the process of making the realization of these two critical documents actually real. I feel a lot of pride knowing that when the administrators and the village elders are assured that their welfare is secured, then they will be able to devote themselves wholeheartedly to protecting our children, women, and of course a number of us who are vulnerable from exploitation and abuse, and also upholding the rule of law in every corner of the country. Our village administrative structures will be aligned with our national security framework so that we are able to better detect, prevent, and respond to emerging threats. We have mechanisms that we must be able to strengthen as part of these draft policies that we are validating today. Mechanisms on dispute resolution, fair communal resource management, as well as local development planning by embedding our communities at the heart of these two important policies. On behalf of the State Department for Internal Security and National Administration, we are humbled by the overwhelming feedback and support that we have received, the diversity of the views that we have received as a result of the public participation exercise that we've been able to undertake in various fora. I would want to, in particular, commend the civil society organizations for the advocacy that has kept the voices of the vulnerable and marginalized communities at the forefront in the drafting of these two important instruments. I also want to appreciate the private sector players whose technical expertise and resources have enriched this process. I know we have worked closely with reInvent on a number of other interventions, and these particular two processes have been no exception in terms of that support and continued partnership that we continue to receive, also from our development partners.